Hello. Hi, nice to meet you.
Hi, Kayla.
Nice to meet you, Andres. So, you lost your key or you lost it?
Yeah.
Okay. So the car is locked?
Yeah.
Okay. It's gonna be 250, okay? Okay.
Just to open the car, how much was it?
Right now,
Yeah.
180. Which you see is perfect. I'm gonna check it out right here. It's started. Perfect. So we're gonna program it now. The switch off, the key is complete, or the ignition off, and we can try to start the car. Perfect. It's yours.
Thank you.
You're welcome.